I felt so horrible. I felt so miserable. And I was like, are these actually the side effects of vaccine? Because ये तो मैंने कहीं पढ़ा नहीं था. I never thought कि ऐसा होगा. Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. In case you guys have not noticed from my face, I am super duper excited कि मुझे finally vaccination का slot मिल चुका है. God knows how long I have waited for this day. जब से 18 to 44 का section ही खुला है, तब से I've been searching so much for getting a slot for myself and Sahil. I now finally feel like I have achieved something. I know it sounds very ridiculous, but those people who have been searching very rigorously for a slot will understand what I'm talking about. In case you are one of them, please let me know in the comment section so that I don't end up feeling stupid. So anyways, ये जो slot है ये साहिल के ऑफिस के थ्रू मिला है. So this vaccination drive is happening in Sahil's office compound. It is conducted by his office. So it is for their employees and immediate family members. And one more thing is, all women must have come across this at some point or the other, कि where a lot of people have said that you should not get vaccinated if you are menstruating, or if it is like 5 days before menstruation and 5 days after menstruation. A lot of people have come out and said that it's actually a myth. आज आपको लाइव एग्जाम्पल देखने को मिलेगा कि whether it is actually a myth or is there something actually to it. I am not currently on my periods, but I am just like a couple of days away from it. So I am in that zone where you should not apparently get vaccinated. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be shooting this vlog and showing you the after effects of vaccination, जैसे side effects होता है. And in case जो normal side effects है उससे ज़्यादा मुझे कुछ experience होता है, then we can understand कि शायद हो सकता है कुछ link हो. But आपको आज पता चल जाएगा whether it's actually a myth or not. So if you are a woman or if you are a guy and you have women around you, then this actually will be even helpful. And since मुझे finally एक slot मिला है, I'm just like really glad about it, and I'm not going to look at what day of the month it is. And of course, I'm not very sure कि जहाँ पे vaccination हो रहा है वहाँ पे shooting allowed है कि नहीं. In case if they have any privacy rules, I really don't want to breach it because it's an office compound. If in case अगर थोड़ा सा allowed है तो मैं अपने phone कैमरा से थोड़ा सा निकाल लूँगी. अगर नहीं allowed है तो भी after the whole vaccination I will meet you guys and I will talk to you guys, and I will also continue this vlog tomorrow to give it a fair time. I want to give it like 24 hours to see कि मुझे exactly क्या क्या साइड इफेक्ट्स होता है मुझे और साहिल को. सो स्टिक अराउंड टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. एंड राइट नाउ द टाइम इज एक्चुअली 12:45. हमारा जो स्लॉट है वो 1:30 को है. सो राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली गॉबल अप सम लंच एंड देन वी विल हेड आउट. सो फाइनली वी आर ऑन अ वे. थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया. 1:30 to 3:30 का स्लॉट था एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2 राइट नाउ. एंड बाय द वे वी हैव स्टार्टेड डबल मास्किंग, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग अ डबल मास्क then you should start doing a double mask. I know a lot of people think that double mask से बहुत suffocation होता है, बहुत घुटन सी feeling होती है, but that's not true. Remember the time when we had to start wearing mask and it was altogether something new and we used to feel suffocated, but now we've just like got used to it. So double mask is also something like that. You'll get used to it. So अभी जो wave चल रहा है उसके लिए double mask is must, and as you can see my mask is something which is very prominent because उसमें lipstick mark है. So anyways, I will try to see if I can vlog over there. If not, then मैं आने के बाद vlog करूँगी. Also I'm gonna show you क्या क्या effect होता है मुझे और साहिल को. हेलो. सो चेहरे की खुशी देख के आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे कि वैक्सीनेशन हो चुका है. आई एम लाइक really happy and really glad. Everything was well organized. Everything was very neat and very clean, and it didn't take a very long time. And they have also given us the paracetamol in case agar fever hota hai and all that. And also something which I'm really excited about is they have given us this refreshments and this some chatpata something. It Tropicana. They have given chocolate biscuits. The fool that I am, I actually took only one dabba of the refreshments. मैंने दो नहीं लिया. It's supposed to be like one for each, but then I don't know why I just picked up one. So Sahil thinks कि उसको अभी मिलने नहीं वाला है. I'm going to give you this.
I trust you.
You better. But junk food has always been my weakness, so I don't know.
No, I don't really feel like it.
How was your experience? He's a little scared of needles.
I'm scared of needles, but I think when she did it, I didn't have
Come
that
to know
pain.
it.
Yeah.
And yeah, if you guys are wondering कि मैं अंदर कुछ shoot नहीं किया, I think it is not really allowed over there, and then no one was doing anything, so I felt kind of odd to take it, so I did not do it. Also, while getting the jab done, जैसे मैंने बहुत लोगों का देखा है कि वो photos निकालते हैं, I really wanted to take a photo or take a video of when I was getting the jab. I asked them so many times, I requested so many times, they just did not allow me to do that at all. आज मैं चेक इन करती रहूंगी. I'll keep checking in today, tomorrow. मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मुझे क्या क्या फील होता है. Hello. So it's 8 p.m. right now. That means a little over 4 hours has passed since the time we got vaccinated. And मुझे and साहिल को touchwood अभी तक कोई major side effects तो नहीं हुए हैं. Only our left arm जहाँ पे actually we were injected, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा it's a little sore, not paining a lot or anything. It's very very mild. I don't have a problem as of now. So we're just gonna wait out and see. खाने पीने पे तो कोई restriction नहीं है. पीने पे restriction है, but खाने पे कोई restriction नहीं है. And I will check in with you guys tomorrow, and I will also give you my final observation on effect of vaccine on your menstrual cycle and overall vaccine का whole experience क्या था and everything. I will give you guys a complete, brief and overview tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay, so next day evening हो चुका है. It's almost 7 p.m. and right now you're seeing my energy is all up and about and I'm very cheerful, but that's not how my day was. My day was nothing short of a roller coaster. I wanted to vlog in the morning, but when I woke up in the morning, I felt so horrible. I felt so miserable. I was feeling so tired. Fatigue is an understatement over here. And for some reason, I was even feeling very pukish. I tried to vlog, but I was in a mess, guys. And I did not want to put you through all that. The fatigue, the feeling that I was actually having, the muscle pain, the joint pain, body pain, everything was on a complete different level altogether, guys. Like, it was not the usual fatigue that you feel when you do some heavy task. It was something very different, and I was like, are these actually the side effects of vaccine? Because ये तो मैंने कहीं पढ़ा नहीं था. Because I have read कि fatigue हो सकता है, ये सब हो सकता है, but I never thought कि ऐसा होगा. But these things differ from person to person. हर किसी का body type अलग होता है. साहिल महान को कुछ नहीं हुआ था. Like, he had only a little bit of pain in the arm, which I think is very normal. Like, even I had that, and he had a little bit of body pain just when he woke up, but he was fine the moment he rolled out of the bed. And I was here, like, I wanted to get up from the bed, but I felt like if I get up from the bed, I might just fall off or something. But what I did was, even though it was so difficult, I was resting, but at the same time I was walking around and everything, because I thought that was the best way to deal with it. Also, later on मुझे हल्का हल्का सा बुखार भी आया था, but it was very very mild. I was tired the entire day, and evening magically everything just disappeared. Suddenly I just got my energy back, and it was just like a boom, as if nothing happened. I know you guys wouldn't be able to imagine कि मुझे कुछ हुआ था. It was actually like that. So I would suggest that whenever you get your vaccination done, the next day you just keep it very light. Don't keep any strenuous activity or travel and everything next day के लिए. You never know like how your body is going to react. And Google said that if your body is reacting to the vaccine, it means your immunity system is working. So it's a big yay. The next thing I would want to say is whether there is a link between vaccination and your menstrual cycle? And I would say no. But the side effects might show up on your body like how it did on mine. थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है because hormones could also be going ऊपर नीचे. So I'm sure your hormones will affect the side effects as well. But there is nothing major. There is absolutely no problem. So it's a complete myth. And if you are on the fence about getting the vaccination done, then absolutely no problem. Go ahead, get your jab. And by now, I'm sure like all of you guys know how to do the registration and slot booking and everything. I did not want to put anything else in this vlog. I really wanted it to be something that you guys will find useful. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button below and the bell icon just next to it. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned.